to the ZAOGA Forward in Faith International Executive, the national councils of various nations, leaders, and the precious saints, I hereby announce to us the promotion to glory of our great iconic leader, Archbishop Professor Ezekiel Handinawangu Guti. It is with heavy hearts and deep sorrow that we announce the promotion to great glory of our dearly beloved spiritual father, visionary and iconic leader, Archbishop Professor Ezekiel Handinawangu Guti. Our father, the bond servant and apostle of God, Archbishop Ezekiel Handinawangu Guti, peacefully departed from this world today, Wednesday, the 5th of July, 2023. He has transitioned to be with his Lord and Master, whom he faithfully and sacrificially served for over 8 decades. As the church leaders and the family meet to deliberate on the program, which will be announced in due course, we appeal to you to pray for our mother, Apostle Professor Yuna Guti, and the family and the church at large to be comforted by the Holy Spirit. Please do not make any travel arrangements until further notice. Thank you all for your prayers and comfort during these grieving days. Acts 13, verse 36a. For Ezekiel Guti, after he had served several generations, by the will of God, fell asleep. Long live Ezekiel Guti's spirit and legacy. Thank you all.